what is in the Bachelorette bags that I made for some of my besties. Okay, so everybody gets a personalized bag. This one is actually for my would-be maid of honor, Carol. I'm not having any bridesmaids, but she's been my best friend for 18 years, so this is her bag. Star of the show, we've got some amazing Tower 28 goodies. These were a gift from my friend Amy, who's the CEO of the company. Shout out Amy. These are incredible products that I use a lot, and my two favorites are the SOS spray and the SOS cream. This has really helped me a lot with acne prone skin, and this one smells like a coconut cake. I don't know how to explain it, but I love these two items and really excited for all the gals to try some of the makeup as well. I am a fiend for candy. So in our candy bag, let me show you, we've got ring pops, obviously for the occasion. We've got Pop Rocks because I like Pop Rocks. And everybody knows this is the candy hot girl of the season right now.
It's a hot girl summer.
Nerds clusters. Up next is our, oh, nope. There's one more candy piece. I gotta make sure we have all the sour, gummy flavors. I'm a big fan. As you can see, Carol is a big fan of blue. There is our little survival kit. In this kit, we have Advil, Liquid IV, and Neutrogena face wipes to make sure we can take off all of our makeup and still do a sort of semi skincare routine after the club. And there is also a face mask so we can have girls' night. And last but not least, there are sunglasses. Oh wait, there's also sweatshirts that Carol made for the girls coming on the trip, but they are being FedExed here as we speak, and hopefully they arrive tomorrow morning. But Carol worked on Canva and designed a cute little graphic that'll go on, and everybody is getting a red sweatshirt and I'm getting a white one. So that's the bag.